Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. I am back with another video. I actually wasn't sure on what this look was gonna turn out like. I really didn't have this in my head, but this is how it came out. I love the final outcome. If you guys want to see how I did this look, carry on watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you dolls in my next video. Okay guys, so we are going to fill in my under eye with this MAC concealer before I apply my foundation. This is just extra coverage, and I like to do this step because I have quite dark circles around my eyes. So I like to add this step in before I add my foundation. Okay, so now I'm going to actually go in with my foundation. I'm using my L'Oreal Perfect Match foundation. Press that in. What I'm gonna now do is go for a L'Oreal Infallible concealer. I'm gonna also go in with light tan, and I'm gonna use my LA Girl concealer. I like this concealer, it's a little bit darker, so I like the blend that it gets with the Infallible because the Infallible is quite light. This is a drugstore product and I don't care. I really love this product. I think it's really reasonable for the price, but it's also a really good product. I'm gonna also add my contour while I am here. Why not? Kill two birds with one stone. I'm gonna start blending this out using a damped beauty blender. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend out this contour. I'm gonna go in with my final concealer, which is the HD Lace Concealer. Really light, so I'm just gonna pop a little bit right here, also down the center of my nose. Go ahead and I'm going to add some baking powder. This is lace setting powder. I'm going to go in my Hoola bronzer and just bronze up my face. I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me pressed powder from Maybelline and just try to bring all the face together really. This is what I use this pressed powder for. I'm gonna set my face before I start my eyes. Okay, so we're gonna use my Precisely Brow Pencil and we're gonna start on my brows. I'm gonna just brush these out. I am going to draw me a guideline at the end of my brows. And then I do hair strokes, like at the beginning, very light hair stroke. I'm going to use my fixing gel from Helen. I'm going to go in with my PLouise base and prime my eyelids and also neaten up my brows. gonna go back into the BPerfect Carnival palette for this look. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet, but it's gonna be something simple and easy. I'm gonna go in with basic, even though a bitch is never basic. Okay. This is a nice brown, but it's a little bit reddish. She's giving me like a reddish tone, so I'm gonna darken it up. I'm gonna go into Intuition now. Just gonna go back into Haul. Okay, so what I'm going to do is a slight cut crease, nothing major, just a little bit of concealer here, just to brighten that area up, and I'm going to add another colour. I'm going to go into Rumour Zero PLouise. It's that really, really bright, like basically white. And I'm going to just add a little bit of that here. Let that dry, honey. I need me a little Diva fan, because what I need right now to get this to dry. Now I am going to go into this really pretty color. It's actually called Makeup. I'm literally just trying to pack this color on. So I'm going to go back into Haul, and I'm going to blend it out more. And then I am going to go back into Intuition, which is that darker brown, and just like smoke out this area some more and just make it a bit more in depth. I need all these three colors to marry together, so that's I'm just going back over everything. This is Pillow Talk. It's basically a white. It's basically white, but I'm using it as my underbrow shadow. Just dragging makeup underneath my eye. Gonna go back into Haul and Intuition, and I'm just smoking that at the edge, like at the corner of my eye, really. So it ties in with that part. That is what I am trying to. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do my wing. Okay, the look is done, guys. I'm gonna set my face, add my blusher and my highlighter. Give it a little tear duct action. So this lipstick is from Makeup Academy, I believe, and it is Ballerina. It's either Makeup Academy or Makeup Revolution. I will list it below. Barbie vibes, Barbie tings, yes. So guys, this look is a wrap. This is how it turns out. I really like how it looks. What are you guys saying? Let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will catch you dolls in my next post.